comes is this. To Ethan.
Yeah!
From Tita Knits. Yeah.
Sit down, Jerome. Sit down too.
Sit
Sit down. Yeah.
You sit down right here.
You sit down right here.
Okay.
No,
What's in there?
here.
I can't. I gotta be over here. So
Open now your gift.
Open it. Pull. You pull it open. What is that? What is that? Oh, some pajamas?
Pajama?
Yeah.
Wow.
Open it the rest of the way. Open the box like this. Oh, Daddy may need his knife.
Yan, tape o stapler.
There's the other part.
More pajama.
Pajama top and pajama bottom.
No more.
No more.
Daddy's like, hey, what's going on? Alright.
You get one for Danny.
Alright. This one is Baby Danny's.
I want make no man.
Open it. Open it.
Open it.
Keep going. Yay, keep going. I know we usually get on to you for this kind of stuff, but it's okay. There you go. Pull it.
Whoa.
This is from Tita Knits.
Yes. Sabi niya, I opened the paper. There's still paper.
What's in there?
A baby. A baby.
A baby?
Yeah.
Danny got her own baby now. Whee! What's that?
Get out.
Let me that.
Come on.
Come on.
Let me help
Woo!
you.
Woo! You like that?
The baby.
You got your own baby now. Yay!